Friends, if we encounter the error we couldn't connect to the update service in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Open Internet Explorer and search for fast.com in the search bar, and open fast.com and check the internet connection speed there. The second solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to change the DNS server address, and I say I'll mention it better. Use Google's DNS server. Okay. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the network connection which is active. Select properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and if it is selected, obtain DNS server, automatically change it to use the following DNS server address. The preferred one is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the settings. Click on OK once again and close the window. And then if needed, restart your computer. This will surely fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.